Hello, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly install rubber handlebar grips. Now, if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. I make more videos of bike repairs and more exotic bike restoration projects regularly, so be sure to subscribe. And the grips I'm talking about here are 80s style BMX grips. They're pretty rare and thus pretty expensive. But that doesn't really matter. The matter of the fact is, how am I going to get rubber grips on this aluminium, or is it steel? I don't know. On this late 80s handlebar. Now the thing is that the rubber grips the metal, so the more you push it on, and the farther it goes, the more it tends to stick. Now, I see a lot of people using various lubricants to get it onto the handlebars. I use a lubricant as well. Some even say, use WD-40 or soap, but the problem with those lubricants is that they don't really evaporate. So even WD-40, people grease their chains with it, and it leaves a tiny film behind, which doesn't ensure that the grip actually grips the metal when the lubricant evaporates. And that's why I use alcohol or rubbing alcohol. So what I do is I pour a tiny bit into the grip and then shake it so it covers the entire inside of the grip. Be sure to, if the end of your grip has a hole, to cover that as well, instead of, the opening on, in this case, the left-hand side. And there's a small window you have to ensure that the grip is in the right place before the entire alcohol evaporates. I use rubbing alcohol, which is 69% alcohol, so very much, and all of it will will be gone after roughly 5 to 10 minutes. And that's how you easily install rubber handlebar grips. And this is the result.